Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of XAMPP on the Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily create a simple Hello World PHP program and how we can easily run that on our browser. So do watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and also do subscribe our channel. That will really help me to make more such videos. And in the middle, if you face any issues, then please put a comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now to install XAMPP, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar, you need to just simply search with XAMPP download and hit enter. And this will going to show you this download XAMPP. So here you can see this www.apachefriends.org is our first search result. So you need to just simply click on this download XAMPP and it's going to redirect to the official site of Apache Friends. So this link I'll be putting in the description, so you can directly using that link you can land over to the official site of XAMPP. And whenever you land over here, you'll be able to see this XAMPP is available for Windows. Alright, if you are using some other operating system like Linux or Mac OS, so then also you need to scroll down and you can download subsequently as per your operating system. For Windows, you can see we have three options. So these are all versions 8.2.28, 8.1.17 and 8.2.4. So this 8.2.4 is for the latest version of PHP, which is 8.2.4. So to download the latest version, click on this download button and awesome, thank you, your download will start and you can see our download has rightly begun. So since I have already downloaded it, I'll just simply cancel it. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see the latest version of XAMPP, which is version 8.2.4 is already been downloaded over here and the file size is just 148 MB. So to install XAMPP, you can just simply double click on XAMPP and it will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes and you can see welcome to XAMPP message. So this is our XAMPP setup. Let's minimize our download directory and here just simply click on next. So these are all the files that they're going to be installed. You can keep everything as a default and just simply click on next. So there in our C drive they're going to create this XAMPP folder, which is totally fine. If you want to change this location, you can click on this browse button and you can change it from here. I'll be keeping the default, that is in C drive. This XAMPP folder is fine. Just simply click on next and here you need to choose the default language. So currently the default language is English. If you want to change it to Dutch, then you can select that. I'm going to keep this default English and click on next and see it ready to be installed. So you can just simply click on next and you can see our installation has rightly begun. So this installing XAMPP on our system will take some time, about 5 minutes I would say. So after this, I'll be again coming back to this video. Yep. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our XAMPP is rightly installed and it is given you this checkbox with that whether do we want to start the control panel now. So I want to start our control panel, so I'll keep this checked and I'll just simply click on finish. And you can see that our XAMPP control panel is rightly opened over here. So you can see it has some module like Apache, MySql, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat. So from here I'm going to start Apache. So I'll click on the start button and same I'm going to do for MySql. Alright, so as soon as you do that, you can see that all these Apache and MySql are turned into green and it has rightly started. So our ports are also gets enabled. Okay, so now you can just simply click on this admin for MySql and it's going to redirect to the browser. So you can see localhost php myadmin and our php myadmin is rightly open. So this is the interface of our php myadmin. You can create your database here by just simply clicking on this new button and you can create your database by giving some name and all, and you can click on create and you can subsequently use this database in your backend code. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly minimize this and I'm going to create a new folder. So I'm going to name this folder as PHP practice and I'm going to quickly show you how you can create a simple hello world PHP program and how you can easily run that on our browser. So I'm going to name this program as hello world, and I'm going to change this .txt extension with .php instead. Alright, so I'll just click outside. Do you want to change the extension? Yes. So if you don't able to see this extension, you need to click on this view and then need to hover over this show, and you need to enable this file name extension. As soon as you enable that, you will be able to see this .txt or .php or whatever extension you will be able to see. Alright, so after that I'll open this in a notepad file, and here I'm going to write a simple PHP code snippet. So I'm going to write PHP and I'm going to end the bracket, and here I'm going to simply echo hello world. Alright, hello world, and I'm going to save this file, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, and I'm going to close this folder as well. So here we have that file created. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to cut this folder. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the C drive, and then in C drive, as during installation I have showed you that it's going to create a Xampp folder. So just simply go inside that Xampp folder and go to htdocs folder. This is very important. Through htdocs folder, Xampp actually communicate. Okay, so go inside this htdoc folder and right click and paste that folder over here, that same PHP practice folder. Okay, go inside that, you can see that same file is here. Right now all you need to do is you need to go to your browser and just simply open a new tab and type over here localhost, and after that just simply give a slash and give that folder name. So what was the folder name? PHP practice, right? So you copy this folder name and go to browser and paste it over here. So localhost / PHP practice, that's all. Hit enter, and as soon as you do that, it will show you that file over here, hello world.php. If you open that, you can see that output hello world is rightly shown. So hello world.php is getting rendered on our browser. So whatever you do there in this program, let's say you edit this, change this world with hello Geeky script, save this, go to browser again, reload, you can see hello Geeky script rightly shown. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of Xampp on a Windows operating system. So that is basically all about this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and also do subscribe our channel. That will really help me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.